Hi there, just a quick video today about how I get and keep our white clothes white. Starting with a pair of very muddy sweatpants, we will add straight to the washer 1 pump of Melaleuca Melipower laundry detergent and follow that with about a half a scoop of unscented Oxi Clean. I will link to the products I'm using in the description of this video. I then set the washing machine water level to the highest water with an extra rinse, hot water, and the load setting to the heaviest cycle available. If I'm satisfied with how the piece of clothing came out of the wash, I will go ahead and dry it. If it needs some more stain fighting power, I will go ahead and fill a small container with hot water and add in a good scoop of the scent-free Oxi Clean right to that. Then I'll go ahead and add the garment directly to that small bucket and mix it up to get the Oxi Clean to start dissolving in there. I will leave this sit overnight or a good 24 hours until I'm ready to wash the next load. I do not separate our clothing out unless there was something special about it. And there is the finished product after re-washing and drying. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so others can find this video more easily. Have a great day.